apiary is just the terminology that is a group of beehives.
There's about 30 hives currently, and there's a pollinator garden.
We went over some basic bee biology, and then we came out here to the field station, and we actually went into the hive and looked at it like firsthand, like this is what this is, and this is what this is. I mean, it's just like a whole different level of education.
Yeah, it's very different, you know, to learn about a bee on a slide and then to suit up and to open a box and to test your will, to test your iron a little bit.
Every day we were out there, you know, doing stuff with the bees, learning about them. And even for like my ecology classes, biodiversity, things like that, like we were outside doing tree counts, doing mammal surveys and stuff like that. And I feel like sometimes whenever I talk to some people, like they have told me like, oh, I didn't get to do this stuff until grad school. And like here I am like as a sophomore or like a freshman in undergrad, I was already doing it.
If students are interested in a hands-on experience, real-world learning, make what I'm learning in a book and in a lab mean something to me. That's what we're doing. And that's, I think, is something that we can offer that most places can't.
I think that sometimes it can get difficult because we are running back and forth up to, you know, the main field station and then the apiaries, you know, down the way a little bit.
I can't tell you how many trips I did back and forth. It's like, it was probably a dozen trips just in one day.
The potential for like a honey hut or something like that down there would make things so much easier.
The idea was to be able to do the whole honey operation in one building close to the apiary thing. It just makes everything much more convenient.
We're gonna be producing a lot of honey. If we continue to grow it at the rate that we are already, it's gonna be super, you know, labor intensive, capital intensive, and, you know, resource intensive. We need, you know, a lot to make that operation run smoothly.
Happy birthday, Mother Fair.
Happy birthday, Mother Fair.
We'll hope you celebrate by donating to the apiary.
We hope that you'll help us celebrate by giving to the Westminster College Apiary. That would really be sweet.